Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start now, power off the satellite receiver and expose the LNB connector so you avoid live signals. Use a calibrated Coke stripper to remove 3/4 inch of the outer jacket. Once done, fold the braided shield back evenly. Next, trim the dielectric to 1/4 inch, leaving the center conductor straight. This prevents shorts and ensures proper contact. Make sure to keep the braid clear of the center. If stray wires touch, the connector will fail. Once the cable is prepared, slide the ferrule over the cable first, then the connector body. Push the connector on until the dielectric seats against the connector shoulder. You should see about 1/8 to 3/16 inch of center conductor protruding. Make sure the braid remains under the connector sleeve and not folded into the center. Crimp the ferrule using the correct die size for your connector. A proper crimp secures impedance and prevents signal loss, so measure and verify the crimp depth. You now attach the connector to the LNB and hand tighten. Once snug, use a wrench for an extra 1/8 turn. Do not over-torque, which can deform contacts. Then weatherproof. Apply self-fusing tape or heat shrink over the joint to keep moisture out. Finally, test continuity and signal strength with a meter or receiver. If you see intermittent signal, recheck the center conductor length and braid placement. Troubleshooting tip. If signal is weak, inspect for stray braid shorts and restrip plus recrimp.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.